side in conversation. They seemed quite interested in what you had to say. So,
a little fun fact, actually, about Kazakhstan. One of the only places that has 2-humped and 1-humped camels. Here, I believe we only see 2-humped camels, but they do. It's a region that does have both, which is unusual.